Yes, good morning students. Welcome back to the class. Today's maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is statistics. Okay? Statistics. Already about statistics you have learned something about in the class 9. So what you have learned in the class 9 means there for ungrouped data. Okay? For ungrouped data means raw data. You have calculated the mean, median and mode, okay, by using some different formulas. But here in 10th class we have to find the same mean, median, mode for the data, for the grouped data. Okay, first in 9th class they given in the questions raw data means it has no tables. If tables will be there, but it will be raw data. There is no classification of data. Here, group data means after classifying the data, after arranging in some groups or classes, okay, they will give the frequency of that particular group. Okay, after that only we have to find the mean, median and mode. Means here in 10th class we have to find, see, statistics. Okay, so in 10th class also we have to find the mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode for the grouped data. What is the meant by grouped data means? For example, if they will give the data, raw data means, for example, your marks 20 marks of class 10 students, 25, 15, 10, 9, 22, 19, 17, okay, and 8, 12, 14, 16, and again 25, again 8, again 9, like this. This is called the raw data. These are the marks of some students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 students of your class. This is called raw data. For this, how can we find the mean? First, let us discuss about the mean. So, in this chapter, statistics, first exercise based on mean, second exercise based on mode, and last exercise based on median. Okay. So, how to find the mean for the ungrouped data, raw data, ungrouped data or raw data. For this data, how can we find means? We have to add all these observations. We are calling this as observation. The sum of observations by number of observations. By adding all this, we will get one value. We have to divide that value, the number of these observations means 15. Like that, we will get the mean for mean. That is called for ungrouped data. Okay. So now here we want to find the mean for grouped data. Grouped data means we have to arrange these marks in some groups. Means, for example, 0 to 10, how many students got? 10 to 20, how many students got? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, how many got? How many members got? Like that. We will arrange the data in some groups. For example, 0 to 10, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 4. And 10 to 20, how many are there? 1, no need to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. 20 to 30, how many are there? 20 also will come 7. So here 25, 1, 2, 3. 3 students are there. So this is called after arranging the raw data in some groups that will be called the grouped data. So this in this grouped data, this is called class intervals, and this is called frequency, and this total table is called frequency distribution table, distribution table. So here in these class intervals, okay, in these class intervals we have some groups. this is one class, this is one class, this is one class. And this frequency means the capacity of the particular class. 0 to 10, how many are there? 4 are there. That is the capacity of this class according to the given raw data. So that's why these are called the frequencies. So 10 to 20, 7 members are there. 20 to 30, how many are there? 3 are there, like that. Okay. So these are called class intervals. These are called frequencies. In class intervals, this is called lower limit, lower boundary, and this is called upper boundary. So here 0 is the lower boundary, 10 is the upper boundary. Lower boundary, upper boundary. So here classes, we can divide these classes. Not only see here, observe this upper boundary, this class lower boundary, both are same. These classes are called inclusive classes. So for the same data we can arrange, we can make the groups like this also. 0 to 9, and 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and 30 to 39, like this also. These are also called. So see here, no overlapping is there. See here, 10 2 times came. Okay, here no 10. Here up to 9 only we have to calculate. Here after 10 only. Sometimes if there will be 9.5 mark is there, then where you will take means, then in this particular classes it is impossible to take. So 9.5 here also, in this class also not come, and here also it will not come. So that we are arranging the groups like this only. We can arrange these groups. These are called the exclusive classes. Exclusive classes. So we can change, convert this exclusive classes as like this. How can it means? For example, this one you can arrange 0.5, and this, see here, from this here these are not boundaries, these are only the limits. Okay, so this is called lower limit, and this is called upper limit. So lower limit, upper limit. So this lower limit and upper limit also we can change into the boundaries. How can we? Here we have to, one difference is there. How much difference is there between 9 and 10? Only one number difference is there. If you half it, okay, you can distribute this half to the upper boundary and this lower boundary. Means 0.5 to this will be 9.5. Now this is 10 becomes 9.5 to 19 becomes 19.5. This is 19.5 and this is 29.5. This is 29.5 and 39.5. So like this we can arrange this exclusive classes also as the inclusive classes. Now these are the boundaries and these are the limits and these are the boundaries. So it is useful when finding the median and mode. Very important this topic. Okay, but in finding the mean, so it is no need. Okay, when we are not taking any lower boundaries or upper boundaries in the mean. Okay, so this you can keep in your mind. But here one thing we have to take. What is that means? Class mark. So here frequency is represented by Fi. Why we are taking Fi means so many frequencies are there. Fi means this is F1, F2, F3 like this up to I means these frequencies are denoted by the Fi. So here while finding the mean of the data, so class mark is very important. So now how can we find the class mark means? This is lower limit, lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. The average of the lower boundary and upper boundary is called class mark or mid value. So this class mark, how can you take for this particular class? Class mark is equal to, this will be denoted by xi. Class mark will be denoted by the xi. So how can we take the mid value? Means 0 plus 10 how much? 10. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 plus 10 to 20. 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, that is 15, this is 25. So these are very small class, we can see 0 to 15. What is the middle value? 15. 20 to 10 to 20 mid value is 15. So these are very small, means we can find easily by seeing itself. But in some classes compulsory you have to use this formula. So what is the formula for finding the class mark? Means the average of lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, this is very basic about the statistics. Everything you have to use this terminology in the statistics, it is better. Class intervals, frequency, class mark. It is very important to know the difference between limit and boundary. Okay, so like this class, for in inclusive classes they are called the boundaries. In exclusive classes, like this, in this classes, these are called the only limits. Limits also we can change into the boundaries like this. Okay. Now let us see how to let us see the median. How to find the median? Okay. See that mean. First, let us discuss about the mean. Okay. Mean means already we know that for raw data, mean for grouped data. See that mean for ungrouped data means sum of observations by number of observations, no doubt at all. For grouped data, how can we find the means? How can we find the mean means? To find the mean we have three methods are there. One is direct method. One is direct method and another one is assumed mean method. And other one is step deviation method. See, in this academic session, so no need to solve the problems by using the step deviation method. So it is deleted from our syllabus, so that we no need to discuss about this method. Only we have to see how to find the mean in these two methods. Okay. So what is the direct method? Direct method means, first let us see the formulas for direct method and assumed method. So here direct method, mean is equal to find the mean. Mean is denoted by the x bar, that is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. So already we know that fi means frequencies, xi means class marks. So after in each and every question how they will give means they will give the class intervals and frequencies. Only they will give like that only. We have to find the median. To find the median by using this direct method, we have to take one more column, other column. See, they will give only classes, class intervals and frequencies. So this means fi. We have to find the class mark. That is, class mark means xi. We know how to take the class mark. Okay, these are all the class marks. What is the then fi xi means we have to add these frequencies and each frequency and class mark, and we have to arrange one more column for fi xi. After multiplying these two, we have to write here. After writing all these, what is the meaning of summation means sum of all fi xi. So sum of all these numbers will be summation fi. Summation fi xi. Summation fi means sum of all the frequencies. Okay. So like this, by using taking the table, we can find the mean in direct method. Okay. Now let us see the mean in assumed mean method. So in assumed mean method, the formula is mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation fi di by summation fi, where we know that what is frequency. Here one new term is there, that is dA. dA means it is deviations. for this formula is xi minus a. Now here a is assumed mean. Assumed mean. From where we have to take this assumed means? From the class marks. So many class marks are there, no? From that we can assume any one of the class mark as the assumed mean. Okay? By taking that, if we subtract each and every class mark from each and every class mark, if you subtract the assumed mean, you will get the DA values. After that, take FIDA one column and add all the FIDAs. That is called summation FIDA, and summation FI means sum of all the frequencies. Simply you should substitute in the formula. You will get the mean. Okay. Then step deviation method, no need. Okay. So first you write these formulas. Okay, we will solve one problem, then only you can understand how to find it. Okay, so now see that. Right. Okay, see that. Now we have to solve some problems from exercise 14.1. So see that we can use any one of the method, direct method or assumed method. Before going to solve this chapter, these problems, once you have to learn the formulas first. Direct method means mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Okay, if you want to solve the problem which in assumed mean method means summation fi dA is equal to summation fi. Okay. So see that we have to follow. So like this only in the problems they will give. This is the first problem. They will give only classes and frequencies. Means Fi. What we have to take? See here, in which method you have to select means according to the frequencies only you have to select the method. See here frequencies are very small numbers. So that I will take the direct method. Means after summation while I am doing the multiplication of fi xi, it will be easy. Okay, and classes also very small classes. Okay, see in this question it is the classes also bigger, so you will get the class mark as some big numbers, and this frequencies also see that some big numbers are there, 2 digits also are there. So while multiplying the fi and xi, this will be difficult. So that for this I am taking the assumed method. That will be easy. So it will consume your time to calculate. Okay, calculate the multiplication while calculating the multiplication. So according to the problem only you can select the method. Okay, by seeing the question itself we can select the method. So for this I am selecting the first method, direct method. Why? Here classes and both frequencies are very smaller numbers. Okay, see that here. Now we have to take the class mark. Class mark, that is xi. How we will take after adding 0 plus 2? 2 by 2, 1. So 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 3, 6 by 2, 3. This is 10. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 by 2, 5. This is 14, 7. This is 9. This is 11. This is 13, like this. So after taking this exercise, what we will do? We have to, according to the problem, fi xi is there. Fi xi means fi into frequency into class mark. Frequency into class mark. So fi xi you have to take. Fi xi means this is fi, this is xi. You have to multiply each and every frequency and class mark. That will be the fi xi. So 1 1 ja 1, 2 3 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35, 6 9 ja 54, 11 2 ja 22, 33 3 ja 39. Then what we need? Write the formula here. You will get idea. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. So we have fi xi. Fi also we have, but we need summation. Sum is there. See summation. Summation of fi xi means you have to all this. So this will be the summation fi xi. So that is equal to add all this 7, 10, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 23 plus 9, 32. 32. This is 9, 11, 16, 19, 20. So it is 202. That will be this value, this total value. Summation Fi means sum of the frequencies. This is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 5, 11, 17, 20, 22. This is summation Fi is equal to 22. Once you have to write here, summation Fi xi is equal to 202. Summation Fi is equal to 22. Simply you have to substitute here. 202 by 22. 2 11 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So 101 by 11. So you have to change 101 divide by 11. Okay. So it will be the how much it is. So once check the yes, once again check this. 7, 17, 21 plus 2, 23 plus 9, 32. 3 plus 3, 6, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 16, 17. This is 162. It is 162. 4, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6. It is 17. It will be 172. So it is 172. 3 5 ja, 5 7 ja, 6 9 ja, 11 2 ja, 13 3 ja. So this is 7, 10, 17 plus 4, 20, 1, 23, 32, 6, 8, 9, 17. Okay, this is 5, 10, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 22 it is. Okay. So I think this is wrong from the question. So here it is 1, 2, this is 1 and this is 5, this is 6, this is 2, 3. So it is 5 only. Okay. Now it will be the 162 and it is 20. So it is 162, this is 20. This is equal to 162 by 20. 2 10 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja. It is 8.1. So the mean of the data, mean of this data is 8.1. Okay. This is very easy. Only you have to take the class, then multiply the Fi xi and you have to add this, then you will get the mean simply. Now let us solve this question. See here big numbers are there. So you have to take the value, you have to choose the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method means it is mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation Fi dA by summation Fi. So we need to find the dA. If you want dA means what is the formula for dA? Xi minus A. You need to find Xi also. Xi means class mark. That is Xi. So Xi, what is Xi? 100 plus 120, how much? 220. 220 by 2, it is 110. It is 110. This is 130. See, after that, first find 1, it is 1 enough, 110. So what is the difference? Length of the class interval is 20. You have to add 20 to the next, you will get the next class mark. 110 plus 20, 130. This is 150. This is 170. This is 190. See, after 120 plus 140, it will be 260. 260 by 2, 130 it will come. It is easy. So first find the first one and then see the class length of the class interval. That difference you have to add to the previous, you will get the next. Okay. Then dA. What is the dA? dA means it is xi minus A. Xi minus A. A means what? A means it is assumed mean. You have to select the A value select the A from the class intervals. Assumed you can take any one. Any one means it is better to take the middle value, this value. It will be the A. See here, multiplication of this much numbers is, if we use the direct method, the multiplication of these two is become tough. That's why I am taking this one. So take this one as A. So for each and x1, this is xi, and also A also is there. So 150 minus 150, it will be 0. It will be 0. Next, first one. What is xi here? 110. Minus 150, how much? Minus 40. So this dA become minus 40. Next, 130. 130 minus 150, it is minus 20. Here also same. What is the xi here? 170 minus 150, that is equal to 20. This is 190 minus 150, this is 40. So plus 40. So compulsory what value you have to assumed mean that value compulsory becomes 0. Above you will get the negative, below you will get the positive. Same only can see that. Now Fi dA. We need this one now. So here you have to take Fi dA. Okay. Fi dA means you have to multiply these two. You have to multiply these two, not this one. These two. So 12 4 ja 12 into minus 40. 12 4 ja 48. It will be 48 minus 48. 480. 14 2 ja 28. 280 minus 8 into 0 0. 6 2 ja 12. 120. 40 into 10, that is 400. Okay. Now we need sum of the Fi dA. This is the Fi dA. You can take the summation of Fi dA, that is equal to, how can you add this means, first add all the positives. How much? This is 520 minus this is 600, 760. Okay, 760. From minus 760, 520. Subtract. How much? 0, 8, 7 minus 2, minus 280. It is minus 280 came. And this is how much? See, 6, 10, 20, 3, 4, 5. It is 50. Now substitute that value. Summation Fi, this is summation Fi. So this is minus 280 by 50. Minus 280 by 50. So formula is A plus. It is A plus. So before also formula for assumed method mean is A plus summation Fi dA by summation Fi. What is the A value here? 150 plus summation Fi dA minus 280 by summation Fi 50. 0 0 cancel. Okay. Now it is 150 plus into minus 28 by 5. This is equal to 5 LCM. 15 5 is 75. 750 minus 28. So 750 minus 28, how much? 750 minus 28, 2. This is 4, 2. 722. This is 722 by 5. By 5. 5 1 ja 5, 2 is there, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 722 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 2 is there, 22, 5 4 ja 20, again 2 is there, 5 4 ja 20, again 2 is there, it will be for again 722. Here one more mistake done. This is 760 minus 520 is 240. It is 240. 24. This is 24. After 7 subtract 726 by 5 times into 5 2s are 10. Okay. So this is the mean. Okay. I hope that you understand in both methods how to solve the find. So in first method, so according to the data, I am choosing this one as the this is direct method. For this I am taking assumed mean method. Why? Here big data is there. See, the multiplication of these two difficult. Now after taking this, it will be easy. It will be easy. That's why I am choosing this two methods. Okay. Remaining problems. Remaining problems means, yes, the remaining problems means third problem I will solve. I will explain in the next video or this video. Okay, so you have to solve the remaining 8 problems are there. 2 problems we have to solve here. Remaining problems you have to solve. You can choose the method according to this data. So you can solve any method, no problem. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is the third question. In this third question, this is very important question. In this question, already they given mean of this data as 18. So, but here one frequency missed. We have to find this missed frequency. So you can use any one method, direct method or assumed mean method. So direct method also no problem. Okay, small numbers only. No. See, write the class mark. What are the class mark? Class mark. That is xi. What is the xi here? 11 plus 13 how much? 24. 24 by 2 it is 12. What is the difference between 11 and 13? 2. So you have to add 2. You will get the next class mark. You have to add 2, 16, 18. Okay? 18 plus 2, 20. This is 20 plus 2, 22. This is 20 plus 2, 24. Okay? Now you have to multiply fi xi. Okay? Fi xi. So this is also somewhat difficult. Fi xi also, multiplication of these two also difficult. So that you can take the fi dA. Okay? Assumed method. So see 13, 18 multiplication 24, 22. So that you can take the dA. dA is xi minus a. You can select any one as a. So you can select middlemost value. This value it is better. So this value becomes 0. Okay. Now 12 minus 18. Xi minus a means here xi is 12, a is 18. How much? That is minus 6. It will be minus 6. Again see that next 14. 14 minus 18. How much? It will be 4. This is minus 4. Next 16 minus 18. 16, xi 16, no? 16 minus 18. That is minus 2. Now 20 minus 18. 20 minus 18 it is plus 2. Okay. Next 22 minus 18 it is 4. 24 minus 18 it is 6. Okay. This is the dA. These are the dA values. Okay. Now fi dA. You have to multiply this one and this one. Sorry, this one and this one. So now multiplication become easy. 7 6 are 42 minus 42. 6 4 are 24 minus 44. 9 2 are 18 minus 18. Okay, 13 into 0 0. F into 2 it will be 2f. 5 4 are 20. 4 6 are 24. Now take summation fi dA. So you have to add first the positives. What are the positives? 44. It is 44. What are the negative values? How much this? 42, 24, 18 add. This is 10, 14, 6 plus 2, 84. Minus 84 you have to subtract. How much? 0, minus 40. This is minus 40. This is not a number, so that you have to add this one plus 2f. It will be plus 2f. And we need summation fi. Summation fi how much? You have to all these things. How much this is? 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 9, 35, 30 plus 5, 40, 44. 44 plus f. 44 plus f. Okay. So now write all the values. Here summation fi is equal to 44 plus f, summation fi dA is equal to 40 plus 2f. Okay, and what is the a value also you can write. What is the a value here? It is 18, and mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus summation fi dA by summation fi. What is the mean already given in the question? See that it is 18. Okay, and this is also a also 18. Summation fi dA is minus 40 plus 2f by summation fi is 44 plus f. So 18 sent to this side. 18 minus 18 is equal to minus 40 plus 2f by 44 plus f. It will be 0. That is equal to minus 40 plus 2f by 44 plus f. Then you send this denominator. This will be 0 into 44 plus f. This is minus 44 plus 2f. Minus 40 plus 2f. This will be 0. That is equal to minus 40 plus 2f. Send minus 40 this here plus 40 is equal to 2f. Then 40 send to this side by 2. That is equal to f. 2 1 ja 220. So therefore f is equal to 20. So the mixed frequency is 20. Okay, like this we have to find the mixed frequency. So up to now we have finished 3 problems. We have to finish with 3 problems. You should solve all the problems remaining 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 problems. No need to solve these 3 problems. Okay. After watching the video, you have to solve the remaining 5 problems one by one and send in the WhatsApp group. You have to choose the method. That is very, very important. Otherwise, you will get more struggle while multiplying these two. Okay. By seeing the problem itself, you can choose. For the smaller values, you can, after taking the class mark, you can see this. Okay, these two are very smaller, means you can go through with the direct method. Otherwise, you can select the assumed mean method. Okay, I hope that you understand. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.